going on, guys? My name's Josue, and today I'm back in the kitchen to make some chickpea curry. Check it out. Yo guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, my name is Josue. If this is your first time here and you want to see more videos about recipes, vlogs, and I'm actually doing a vegan challenge, so make sure you go check that video out as well. I'll post a link to that video in the description below, so if you're interested in that series, go check that out right now. But let's get into the cooking. Oh, and real quick, I got a comment that tried to step on my cooking gear, so I bought this Kitchenaid stainless steel pan. Check this out. Yeah, Kitchenaid, so it's like, it's pretty big. It's like 12 inches, stainless steel. So, hey, let me know in the comments what you use to cook. I know some people like to use cast iron skillets, or just let me know what you like to use. If you guys are interested in getting one of those, I'll drop the link down in the description as well if you want to go ahead and get one for yourself. Alright, let's get cooking, son. These are all the ingredients that we're going to be using in the video here, so check everything out in the description below as well, where I list everything that we use and how much of it also. Let's get to it. Oh my lord. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now? Are you seeing this shit? Bro, crazy. Yo, I wish everybody was here with me right now to try this. So, I mean, oh my god. Let's go ahead and take a little sip of this, alright? It's just not right. It's not fair. Are you serious right now? Guys. Whoa. Oh my god. This is vegan, son. Let's go ahead and try this, huh? Dude, it's delicious. I love curry. Stop. Yo, So thank you so much for sticking with me throughout this video. I know some parts were kind of shaky because I had to one-handed, but that's my recipe for a chickpea curry. It is all 100% vegan, part of my 40-day vegan challenge. Go check that out right now. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you hit subscribe, and make sure you always comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. What?